What's up, guys? So today is gonna be a little bit of a different video. We're actually on our way to Los Angeles right now. I'm in my Camaro. It's a really big car meet or whatever you want to call it, cruising day type of thing. And my buddy, he actually got a Camaro SS2. He actually just got it from the auction site. From the auction, it was titled Vandalized or whatever you want to call it. It had a bunch of huge holes in it. Looked like somebody took the opposite end of a hammer and freaking went to work with it. So we're gonna go down there, meet up with him, and then my other buddy who also has a 392 Charger. We're just gonna go get some nice footage for today. So we'll catch you guys when we're in Cali. What's up, guys? So we just got to LA, met up with one of my buddies. He's got the 392 Charger, nice little motor package. We're actually looking for a window. I guess he was behind an 18-wheeler truck and a rock had flipped off and cracked his window or something like that. So we're on our way right now to find a windshield for something for his car, and then we're gonna meet up with a couple of more of our buddies. Here, I gotta go get a car wash really quick. I haven't drove this thing in so long. What's up, man? Here at the window shop, all motor power. That's what he's talking about. LS what? That's what he's talking about. We're gonna see about that though. Of course, he's got a little bit more power than me, but eventually we'll get there. So we got that door off already. We're about to get that window swapped out. Get back on this Saturday fun day. And they snapped that off pretty easy. Just like a couple of clips, like here and there, like 7 or 8 clips. Simple stuff. Boom. Got the glass out. See the old window right here. With this little shatter right here. All from the freaking 18-wheeler truck. So we got the window in. Everything going smooth. Going A1. See, they getting us right, man. You trying to one-up me. Heavy duty. Diesel. Wow. Check you out. I just pulled up to my other buddy's house, and this thing sounds freaking ridiculous. This is the one, he got this one from Copart. Here. This is the one he got from Copart, guys. This thing sounds freaking beast. You see he's got the numbers on the back. Did he take it to the track already? You gotta look at his YouTube for the freaking first videos, because if you see, it's like two-tone. So you guys would have to see his first video to see exactly how it looked. But he got this and it was like full of holes, like somebody took a hammer and just clawed it out. So he did the body work on it, and then now he's just waiting on a nice paint job. Look at that. It's a pretty clean car. Like, he's got all the body work done and stuff already. But you see, it's fair. It's an SS Camaro 2011 with like 50K on the dash, 53,000 miles. I see he's got that LS3 in that baby. We're gonna check out my Camaro because he's missing something right here. So his check engine light is on. So we're gonna see on my Camaro what he's missing. Let's check it out.
This little round thing, it gotta be. And then this going back to the fuel line right here. It's emission hose. Because on my car, I got the check engine light for that. That's why my remote start don't work.
So we're gonna swap out these brakes before we go to the track today, all 4. And being that we both have the same Camaro now, he's got the front brakes on warranty, I got the back brakes on warranty. So we're gonna go get a free pair of brakes from AutoZone and get this thing swapped out. He's gonna switch his oil, he might switch his. We'll see how that goes. Got the first ones off. Look at that nice tire tread on there. Nice Pirellis on there. Nice Forgiato wheel. So we got those brakes off. Still got a good little length to go there, so sure we'll get those back on the warranty.
Oh, you got some
pair of brakes out. Let's get that wheel back on. So we're gonna take a test drive in the Copart Camaro. Boom, look at that. We got both front and back brakes, brand new, for free. We about to swap them out, get to this track, man. One side in, front and back. We're about to throw his on the jack stand so he can change his oil real quick. So about time he finished his, I should be done with mine and we should be ready to dip. So we got all 4 brand new brakes on. We got everything good to go. So we're probably gonna go find a car wash for this thing.
Five hours later.
We made it, guys. Look at that Ferrari. Ooh, look at this guy. Okay. Look at him, check him out. Look. We got some more sick rides, guys. A lot of sick rides up here, dude. We finally made it to the track after hours, and can I tell you, they have like everything you can ask for up here. Every type of car, whatever you want. It's gonna be a good little day. So we're gonna have our first race. I don't know if I'm racing this Honda or I'm racing this G8 behind me. So we'll see in a hot sec. See, I got my numbers over there on the window. Hopefully that gives me a little bit of horsepower. Rat rod. He's got like a little rat rod.
He's the most driving past me. That's so crazy.
Who, him? We got a little crash over there. So I'm about to race the Copart Camaro, and I think that thing's got some motor work in it. I raced the Charger already. He barely got me. Buddy won, so you know his car is built, so I was expecting that. We are out here, guys. Both of these guys are faster than me, so that means I need to hurry up and switch my car around because this cannot be so. Mr. Man here, Copart Camaro is faster than mine. Dude got a cam in his joint. Let me get a sound clip. So that's a wrap for the track. Looks like somebody broke down on the track and sprayed oil everywhere. Last ran the Copart Camaro. He was pretty much neck and neck, and then halfway down the track I started sliding everywhere. What's up, guys? New day here. Mr. here didn't put his oil cap on, I guess at a slanted angle, so he was dripping oil all over the headers, smoking and whatnot. Today we're gonna go to Neptune's, like, you know, where they film Fast and the Furious, all that good stuff. Here at our buddy's tire shop. You see my buddy needs some tires on both of those bad boys. Well, all 4, honestly. You see the baby tires he got on the front. So my buddy, he's got a Jeep SRT8, but it's not just a regular Jeep SRT8. Remember I test drove one of these the other day? He has the fresh Pro Charger in this thing, dude. It's freaking about $650 to the wheels. Made it to the car wash. Ooh, look at those things looking wet. The buddy got his fresh tires, eh? He said it rides like a pillow now. Dude, when this thing is painted, it's gonna look so sick. Hours behind schedule. So you know I had to ice myself down. I got me some of that Amarol on that joint, baby. That thing looks nice now, boy. It looks super wet, like. We finally made it to the fabulous Santa Monica, California after like all day and a half. We got a sick Viper up there. Looks just like Grand Theft Auto, doesn't it? hard. I hope you guys can see that. It's like a graphic type of matte black. It's really sick, man. Love being home in California, dude. Full of nice cars. Sunday, everybody brings out their toys. I came in want some smoke. So we finally made it to the top of the world, pretty much. We're here in like Malibu. You got the nice ocean over there. And if you look up there, it's a guy parasailing. That's what I call living life right there. He's parasailing around mansions in freaking Malibu over amazing views. That's so crazy. We are out here on this nice Sunday, right here on the rocks in Malibu. Just enjoying it. So our buddy just pulled up with the new GT2 RS Porsche. This thing is really nice. He has the full carbon fiber hood. This thing is really cool. Has the Michelin Sport tires. Oh my God, look at those. Look at those brakes on that thing. That thing is crazy. Ooh. So this isn't the Nardo Gray. What color is this called?
This is chalk.
Chalk. Oh wow. Ooh, look at that.
I immediately thought of
That thing is nice. Ooh. And then they have the freaking fire extinguisher. Oh my God. Look at that thing, man. Look at the wing. What's up, guys? So we are on our way back to Las Vegas. It's about, I want to say 2, almost 3 o'clock in the morning. We've been out all day riding and sliding and changing tires and doing everything, all the above. Don't need gas, just pulled over for a hot sec. Got about a couple of hours to go. Didn't catch too much footage of me and my buddies riding around in the street. You know, we was going like 1,000,000 miles an hour, where they was going like 1,000,000 miles an hour. So I wasn't trying to do all that and then record at the same time. So I got you a couple of quick shots. I hope you enjoyed this vlog type series. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We finally made it back to Las Vegas. The day is done. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you on the next one.